大家好. These days some students ask me about Arduino. So since today, also I introduce some Arduino fundamental. In Chinese, it's Arduino 基础. Arduino has several different varieties. So there are lots of different Arduino boards. In my class, I will use Arduino Uno to introduce. This is Uno. Uno has USB connection and power supply. The chip CPU is 80 mega, 328p CPU, and there are digital input-output and analog input-output. For digital parts, the pin 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, they can use as PWM input. And first we need to download Arduino software. So we can access Arduino website to download this Arduino software. And then we connect Arduino 连接. 连接 is connect. 连接 to computer. Connection is very simple. Just one USB port and direct connect to computer. And next, after we connect, we need to set the ports. See here, tools, port. Select. Normally, your Arduino connect to computer and automatically detect Arduino Uno. But you need to check it. Sometimes students maybe cannot program because he didn't select this port. So first time you use Arduino, you need to check this port. And we can find a reference for Arduino. That in fact is help document. So help reference. This is language reference. Arduino use C language to programming. But sometimes if you don't know how to use this method, this function, you can use reference. There is a lot of example and function explanation. This example is very simple. We just connect LED to Arduino boards. LED has two pins. One is ground, one is positive. So positive connect to pin 9 and ground connect to Arduino's ground pin. And let's see our example. Because first example is very simple. We see language reference. There's a pin mode function. Pin mode function has two parameters. One is pin, that is pin's number, and second is mode. Mode has several choices: input, output, and input pull up. There's an example. This example we just copy to our Arduino edit. Copy to here. And pin number, because we connect pin 9, so we change as pin 9. Let's see this example. First, set up our pin number 9 as output. So that because our LED is output device, so we need to set as output. Then in this loop function, inside loop, we use the digital write function. Write what? High to our LED pin. So when this statement is executed, our LED will be on, and then delay 1000 milliseconds. That means wait for 1 second. After that, we write low to our pin, so LED will off. Then delay another 1 second. Repeat this progress, so our LED light will repeatedly on and off. Let's save give a name, LED example, and then we upload program. See, our LED now is flashing, blinking, on, off, on, off. Then we can try another example. We can open Arduino already includes a lot of example to show you how to use Arduino. For example, this analog, we can select feeding example. This feeding example, let's see, LED pin is 9. Then loop, we use a for loop. For there's a variable, is a feed value from 0 up to 255. Every time increase 5. Then use analog write. Previous example we use digital write, but now we use analog write because the value is continuous change. So this feed value is from 0 up to 255. Then write to pin. Every time we will wait for 30 milliseconds. This is feed in. After that, we use the feed value from 255 decrease to 0, and also write to our LED pin. Every time wait for 30 milliseconds. So this LED will continuously feed in and feed out. Let's upload the program. Now you see this LED feed in and feed out, feed in and feed out. Some students ask me, if I have no Arduino hardware, or before I download the program to Arduino, may I verify my program? We can use Pro Tools design, and here we create a new project and give a name of your project. For example, LED example. Next. Here I need to create a firmware project. I use Arduino Uno. Next, finish. Okay, you see, in this interface, we have the schematic capture already included Arduino boards, and also there's a source code. There's source code interface. First, let's build our circuit. This is Arduino board, and click this P. We need to add one LED, so search LED. For example, I use this LED red. Click OK, and click main interface. Then select terminals mode, default. We need to connect default. Rotate and connect to this terminal. Also, this LED we need to connect another ground. So select the ground and connect. For this terminal, we already connect to IO9. So here is IO9. For this point, we just give a name. Also exactly same as our IO9. Okay, that means already connect to IO9. Then in source code, you will see after configured end, This is Arduino program. We just copy from Arduino editor, copy to this code. Okay, I copy here, then switch to schematic capture interface. Here is the run program, run simulation. Okay, you see this LED on, off, on, off is blinking. So we use this software can simulate our Arduino program. This is today's content, Arduino fundamental. Arduino or Raspberry Pi, which one you prefer? Leave a comment in our Confucius Institute channel, and or anything interested, just let me know. In the future, I will teach you more knowledge. See you next time.